And we had some severe weather move through the Triad today. Chief Meteorologist Laney Pope is joining us now. Laney, do we expect more of this in the days to come, or what are we looking at ahead?
Oh, we definitely are in a stormier pattern. We're going to drop that intense heat. The temperatures will come down this week, but there is a risk of severe thunderstorms again tomorrow. So that is something that we will be on the lookout for sure as we move into the afternoon. It is a wetter pattern this week, and that will bring with it that opportunity for some severe thunderstorms. So we're talking about a heavy rain and flood threat, potential for damaging winds. It's a lot like what we saw out there today. You can see this is the camera over Winston-Salem when we watched the storms roll through, and then the sun came out right after that. And then, of course, the sun's setting. So these storms can come up very quickly across the area. You can have sunshine 1 minute. You want to make sure you're paying attention to the skies. Also, making sure that you're listening for thunder. You watch those thunderstorms kind of blossom there right over the Piedmont Triad. And boy, they did pack some pretty strong winds with them. Damaging winds came down in one area. We typically refer to this as like a microburst. You get strong damaging winds pushing out from a thunderstorm. And that's when we did see a number of trees knocked down in Winston-Salem as a result. Elsewhere, heavy rains. Along 421, there was a flood advisory earlier today out toward the Harlan community, and there was rainfall totals anywhere between 1 to 2 inches. Also, with the storms that pushed their way through the Triad, we saw easily 1 to 2 inches across parts of Forsyth, northern Davidson County, and then some beneficial rains too over Davidson and Randolph County. So the good news is that we'll have better rain chances coming through this week, but yes, we may still have a few storms. There's actually a little bit of lightning that's still continuing here between Ennis and up toward Galax. The storm is not severe, but some heavy rain with that. Our rain chances are highest on the front end of the week, and then they fall off just a little bit toward the end of the week. Temperatures are definitely down from where they have been. They will be a little bit above normal, but more in line with what is typical for us for summertime, and that is low 90s. Today we did get up to 95 degrees. Did not hit a record today, but for the past 3 days, starting with that 100 on Thursday, setting records. And that was a record high for July 4th yesterday at 98 degrees. High temperatures mid to upper 90s out there today, 97 in Reidsville, 95 in Moxville. Temps right now are in the 70s, and it is very muggy across the area. It will be that way again tomorrow morning. Temps will be close to 70 degrees, partly cloudy skies, pretty quiet early on, but you can see it's kind of unsettled across the eastern half of the nation. So we will look for once again along these trough lines for us to see a few showers and storms develop. Some of those could become pretty intense and become severe. Only isolated threat though. We're in that marginal risk from the Triad to the east. There's also that concern though for some flash flooding. We'll look for things overnight to be a little quieter. By tomorrow morning, we do have some clouds around as we start the day. It'll be a mainly sunny day. Noticing in the afternoon, once we get past lunchtime, that's when we start to see some of these storms kind of developing across the area. So again, it's going to be a hot day, but not as hot as it has been. 94 weather impact day for that threat for severe storms in the Triad. We're up to 91 in the foothills, also with scattered storms, and then we'll look for the storms to be a little more widespread in the mountains tomorrow, but less of a chance that they are severe, but there could be some flooding in our mountain towns. Here's your 7-day forecast. High temps in the low 90s, driest day perhaps this week will be on Friday.